What are antibiotics, and how do they work against bacteria? Imagine a tiny army fighting off bacteria that cause infections in your body. These soldiers are called antibiotics, and they are powerful medicines designed to help your immune system win the battle. Antibiotics are substances made either naturally by fungi and bacteria or created in laboratories. Their main job is to stop bacteria from growing or to kill them outright, giving your immune system a better chance to clear the infection. Antibiotics work by targeting specific parts of bacteria that are different from human cells. This means they can attack bacteria without harming your own body. One way they do this is by stopping bacteria from building their protective outer layer, called the cell wall. Bacteria need this wall to keep their shape and stay alive. Drugs like penicillin and vancomycin prevent bacteria from making or cross-linking peptidoglycan, which is the main component of the cell wall. Without a strong wall, bacteria burst and die. Since human cells do not have cell walls, these antibiotics do not damage our cells. Another way antibiotics fight bacteria is by damaging the bacterial cell membrane. The membrane controls what enters and leaves the bacteria. Some antibiotics cause leaks in this membrane, making bacteria lose essential contents and die. But because human cells also have membranes, these drugs are often used only on the skin or in specific situations to avoid harming our own cells. Some antibiotics stop bacteria from making proteins. Bacteria produce proteins using tiny structures called ribosomes. Bacterial ribosomes are different from human ones, so antibiotics like tetracyclines can attach to them and block protein production. Without proteins, bacteria cannot grow, repair, or reproduce. This slows down or stops the infection. Other antibiotics interfere with bacterial DNA or RNA, which are the instructions for making new bacteria. Drugs like quinolones block enzymes needed for DNA copying, while rifampicin stops RNA production. Without these processes, bacteria cannot multiply, helping your immune system catch up. Some antibiotics target bacteria's ability to make folic acid, a vitamin they need to produce DNA and RNA. Humans get folic acid from food, but bacteria make their own. Antibiotics like sulfonamides block the enzymes bacteria use to make folic acid, starving them and stopping their growth. In bacterial infections, antibiotics act as helpers to your immune system. They reduce the number of bacteria and weaken their defenses, making it easier for immune cells to eliminate the infection. However, bacteria can sometimes develop resistance by changing their targets or producing enzymes that inactivate antibiotics. This makes fighting infections more challenging. Overall, antibiotics are designed to attack bacteria in ways that our bodies do not, helping us recover faster from bacterial infections and supporting the immune system's efforts to restore health.